everyone, I am here today to tell you about TradeATractor.com, a great new website in the online equipment marketplace. Buy and sell your construction or agricultural equipment today for free. There are no listing fees and your ad stays live for 90 days with photos. If you feel like you are continually laying out money to sell your equipment and are tired of it, then you have nothing to lose to post free 90-day photo ads. There is no limit to the number of free ads, so post as many as you need. TradeATractor.com has developed a cost-effective system in which your ad gets maximum internet exposure and we pass the savings to you. By staying live for 90 days, your ad has time to syndicate through the web and display on major search engines, getting your equipment in front of prospective buyers. So go to TradeATractor.com and start posting free ads today.